This is another update video on my Vincent robot I'm building. I've changed controllers from a Coke can RC car to this. I think I paid about $15 or $16 for it. It'll control 3 motors. I'll show what it can do. Gotta turn it on first. Hopefully they'll pair it. And I've also added the head turning motion. Whoops, bumped into my camera. Now, oh, that'll go all the way around too. Kind of fun to drive around. See whatever changes I've made. I'll show the insides of the head. See if I can get some light in there. There we go. Pretty simple mechanism. I changed, simplified some of the mechanics in here to lower the count, the parts count. The board is down in there for controlling it. And I'll show you what. Take this back off, and you can see what the controller looks like. The board. You get the remote and the receiver, of a transmitter and the receivers. I think it was $15 or $16. It was under $20. Unfortunately, this was not my first choice for a controller, although it is very nice and it seems very very well made. This was my first choice for a controller. With this board, it can control several more motors. They call it I think 16 channel. 1, 2. Here's another, well, this is a motor, this is a motor, this is a motor, this is a motor. And these 2 up here are motors. And I believe this and this. And then it's got a program and it's got all kinds of things. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. It won't pair to the board. This is the board you get with it. It didn't come with the wires, unfortunately. It's got a little speaker. This is for running an RC excavator called a HUINA. I believe 1550 was the number. HUINA 1550 was the number referenced on it. But they won't pair to each other, so that wasn't my plan. I wanted to be able to control the motor here, motor for the head, and maybe have these guns extend out. So it would control the guns and maybe put some LEDs in there. But I don't have enough channels for that now. And we'll see what happens. I may try to get another one of these. I don't know. I got these on Aliexpress. And I also got another controller. But it's much like this. Only, it's not what I ordered either. It's supposed to be, everyone ordered, it's supposed to be tank drive. Looks just like this, only this handle over here goes this way. So it's for like a steering. That's not the controller I ordered, but that's what they sent me. That's kind of a problem with ordering stuff from AliExpress. Thought I had it laying here, I'd show it to you. Man, I got so much junk, I don't know what's going on. Well, anyway, it's not right either. So, that was my plan, to use this to add more functions to it. But I had to cut back on my plan because I only have the ability to control 3 motors now. Anything else I want to show? I think I will change these guns to ones that look more like what was in the movie. These are what the toy, Mego toy the guns on it look like. I guess they decided to make them look more like guns. I don't know. But I think I might change these to something that looks more like in the movie. I just watched Outsider 328, I think it's his name, a number on it, Outside or something, video. And he just got a full-sized Vincent, which probably about this big. It's huge. But his had the heartbeat display here. I think I might do that on mine. I can go in and cut this out, well, in the file and 3D print it again. I wouldn't physically cut it out. And then I can put maybe a clear screen in here, maybe 3D printed. It might, the 3D print clear might actually match the movie, what it's shown in the movie pretty well. If you've ever seen the movie, it looks kind of like a fuzzy, gritty pattern in here. But anyway, I could use some LEDs to make a sine wave type pattern. And I'd probably just do it myself. There's a couple of ways to do that. You could just buy something off the shelf, an LED chaser. A lot of them come with 10 LEDs. They're based on a 4017, I believe, and a 555 timer. But I might just make my own and put a microcontroller in it, either a pickaxe or some type of Arduino. Just put the LEDs on a board and the microcontroller on the same board. I have to put some type of power indicator in it anyway, because right now there's no indication that power is on. I've been just trying to operate it. It'd be very easy to leave the power on and run the batteries down. But anyway, I think I might do that, and that would be a much more visually interesting thing. Still got I got to work some more on these. I want to try to get these where they'll grip something. They'll still be just posable. They won't be motorized in any way. These will probably just remain posable. I might work some more on them to make them look a little more like in the movie. These were just quickly done. See in the back of it. Well, I think that's about all I wanted to show. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.